Tracy Cheney, the Pitiful Gardener.
And I'm Connie Eden, her gardening guru.
And this is our book, The Pitiful Gardener's Handbook. And we're going to talk about something that I've always had trouble with, and that's weeding. So, Connie, you know it's not my favorite thing.
I know. It's my favorite thing, though. I love weeding.
Yeah? And why?
Well, because I go to my Zen place. I think it's easy to do. I can shut out the world. I can shut out the traffic. I can shut out thoughts about my family or, things that are going on in the world. I just go and I weed.
Okay, so for me, for weeding, one, it's getting down on the ground, which is getting a little problematic sometimes these days. But also, I know that if I don't get everything out of there, I'm going to have more weeds.
Yeah.
So how do you solve that?
Well, Tracy, for one thing, bad news is you are going to have to get on your knees. There's just no way to do this without getting on your knees.
Okay.
But if you have a handy-dandy kneeling pad, it doesn't bother you so much.
That's true.
And then you also need this nice little shovel. I call it a weeding shovel. It's like a miniature version of a big shovel. Important thing is you need the handle on the end, and you need this nice round blade. It needs to have a tip on it. The square blades are no good.
Okay. All right, so let's give it a try.
Okay,
Down we go.
It's not that hard. Just watch. So down you go on your knees. Okay. So I just take my little shovel. I have this in my right hand, and I like to go about as deep as I think the roots are going to be. So most weeds, dandelions, they have deep tap roots, but these little weeds have roots about this deep. So then I just take my shovel and I just go underneath like this. And then the weeds just pull out really easy, like that. So I can cover a lot of ground pretty fast. See? Look at that. Already, it looks better. And that's what I'm thinking the whole time. It's better than dusting. It's better than ironing. It's quick results.
Okay, so I have a question for you then.
Okay.
You've done all this work.
Yeah.
How are you going to keep the weeds from coming back?
Well, they are going to come back. Some of them. Because if you let them go to seed, if they go to seed, they're going to come back. So what you need to do is get them before they go to seed. Then you need to come back out here and just check to see when you have new seedlings coming up and do this again. And then you need to mulch. So it's kind of like weed, mulch, or weed, mulch.
Let's talk about mulch for a second.
Okay.
We talked about that. What's the best thing for people to use?
Well, I think that there's several good things. You need something to be organic. I don't really like the plastic tarps for mulch, so I like to use steer manure, chicken manure, any kind of animal manure, composted manure, compost, or composted bark. There's some really great ideas in our book, The Pitiful Gardener's Handbook.
Yep, again.
And I would, even if you don't have this book, you can go to any nursery and they'll help you get some good mulch material.
Okay, but I know there's something you don't like for mulch, because I never see any big pieces of bark in your yard.
No, it's like little islands of wood floating in your garden.
And why don't you like that?
Well, for one thing, it robs nitrogen from the soil. Because in order for it to compost, it has to take the nitrogen out of the soil. So you'll notice that when people have that, their plants aren't growing. They're all stunted. So that's why you want to do that.
Okay. So we've gotten a little bit better on weeding. Now I can't promise that I will be in my
Just
Zen
give it a
mode.
try.
I do want my place to be weeded.
And you don't need to meditate before. It is a meditation.
All right, and this is the Pitiful Gardeners with a tip on weeding.